everyone, welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. For this video, I've done some deep research about AAds, how you can make money with this Bitcoin cryptocurrency paying advertising network, how it works, some pros and some cons, some things about eligibility, withdrawal, and many more important subjects about AAds. So if you like it, you can subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell because I'm posting every day. So let's get started. First of all, what is AAds? AAds is a simple Bitcoin cryptocurrency advertising network. Its headquarters is located at Tallahassee, Florida, USA. This network supports B2B, B2C, C2C, and focus on privacy. So you may wonder how it works. AAds. Users just have to sign up via email or access code or social networks like Facebook, Google, or Twitter. Publishers can monetize their web traffic with CPA, CPD, and CPM methods on banner ads format. Network pays 20% of the ad revenue is paid to the publishers. So 20% of the ad revenue is paid to the publishers. Publishers have to click earn button on their top bar to get HTML code that is embedded for all websites or apps. There they can choose the size of the banner, and this network supports different campaigns like Bitcoin business, online earning, education, news, NSFW, and many more. Publishers can filter the content about ads they don't want to advertise on their site. There is no limit of using banner ads by publishers, but the network will serve only 3 units of ads per page for the publisher's site. Revenue in AAds is generated for unique impressions only within the whole AAds network per day, and a unique impression means visit from a unique IP address. For example, if a visitor visits a website with AAds adverts on it, the publisher will be credited only for the first impression, no matter how many adverts from AAds network are scrolled there. And if the same visitor then goes to any other publisher's site with AAds on it, be that the same advert or different, that another publisher won't get credit for it because that visitor's IP is already credited in the network and it is no longer a unique impression for the rest of the day. Some pros about AAds. It's multilingual. Website is available in English, Russian, and Spanish. Apart from these languages, this network supports ads and traffic in more than 40 global languages. For example, Portuguese, Hebrew, Romanian, Hindi, Malay, Indonesian, Chinese, and many more languages. The referral system. This network offers 6 months commission on affiliates earning, that is 50% of affiliates revenue or 10% from network. Some cons about AAds network. Well, AAds network offers no cookies, JavaScript, or pop-ups. Such contents are considered as obstructive ads, and AAds keep its advertisement clean. AAds only display banner ads formats. The limit, there is no pay per impression per click revenue. All the publishers are in similar position in the network, and only the first impression is credited. This system results in low spending and more advertising for advertisers, but more visit and a low earning by publishers. Payment is issued in this network via cryptocurrencies. Proceed of withdrawals take 24 hours. The minimum amount to withdraw is 0.001 bitcoins, and withdrawal methods are Bitcoin wallet. However, users have the option to choose instantaneous methods like Faucet Pay or Express Crypto. The configurable limit is 0.002 bitcoins. Any balance greater than that is automatically sent to publisher's BTC address. So guys, now let's take a look here on their website. Let's dig into it. So they already say here on the first page, the first crypto advertising network in the market. Pay for the share of targeted traffic and useful actions. So if you want to create, just click here. If you want to sign up, here we have the button and sign in. You can create ads, select sites. You can pick sites for your ads in their catalog. Monetize your traffic, earn up to 50% of their fees as an affiliate. So yeah guys, these are some things about AAds. If you want to learn more, you can go ahead and check their website here. If this video was helpful for you, you can like it, you can subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic and for some more content like this. And you can also turn on that notification bell so you can be notified once I will post another video like this one. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.